Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You have the essentials: interface, cable, and guitar. Plug in, open Garageband, and create a new audio track set to your input. Once done, enable monitoring so you hear tone while you play. This lets you adjust amp sims in real time. Make sure to set buffer size to 128/256 samples for low latency without glitches. Also set input gain so peaks stay below -6 dB to preserve headroom. These first steps get you recording ready and prevent basic signal problems. Now you shape tone and capture performance. Select Amp Designer for amp, cabinet, and mic placement. That's how you craft core sound. Add stomp pedals for drive or modulation, then use EQ and compression to control dynamics and cut muddiness. Once your patch feels right, use cycle recording to capture multiple takes. This gives options for comping. Make sure to save takes and label good sections. By layering and comping, you build a polished part with both tonal variety and tight timing. Finish by mixing. Set gain staging, pan doubles to widen the field, and add reverb or short delay for depth. Once balanced, automate volume rides and apply gentle master compression to glue tracks. When ready, export at 24-bit/48K HCWAV for highest quality, or AAC/MP3 for quick sharing. Normalize only if necessary. If you run into problems, latency, crackles, or missing input, try increasing buffer, reinstalling, or updating.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.